Have you ever wondered what holds atoms together to form the materials around us? The answer lies in chemical bonds. Welcome to Science Bites. Today we'll explore the three main types of chemical bonds that keep everything from water to metal structures intact. Ionic bonds, covalent bonds, and metallic bonds. First, let's talk about ionic bonds. Ionic bonds occur when atoms transfer electrons from one to another, resulting in positively and negatively charged ions. These oppositely charged ions are strongly attracted to each other, forming a stable bond. For example, sodium, Na+, and chloride, Cl, bond together to create table salt, NaCl. Next, we have covalent bonds. Instead of transferring electrons, atoms in a covalent bond share electrons. This sharing allows them to fill their outer electron shells and stay stable. A good example is the water molecule, H2O, where oxygen shares electrons with two hydrogen atoms, creating a strong bond. Lastly, we have metallic bonds. In metals, electrons move freely between a lattice of metal atoms. This sea of electrons allows metals to conduct electricity and be malleable. This is why metals like copper and gold are used in wiring and structures. Each type of bond gives materials their unique properties. Ionic bonds create brittle and high melting point compounds. Covalent bonds are responsible for strong, stable molecules, and metallic bonds allow for conductivity and flexibility in metals. Whether it's the table salt you use every day or the metals in your phone, chemical bonds are what make everything around us possible. Understanding how atoms bond gives us insight into how materials behave. Next time on, we'll dive deeper into chemical reactions and how bonds break and form in exciting ways. Stay tuned for more bite-sized science. Like and subscribe to for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.